This is the cover to that Dutch oven, but I'm going to try just laying this over it because I'll be able to set something on top of it. In the fridge. Yeah, that's going to work out. Oh, okay, so here's my... I probably haven't worn this since last spring or winter. It's a size small. The George is a brand from Walmart. Yeah, so... It's quite warm today though. It's like 17 or 19 degrees out there. Yeah, so... So it might be a little too warm for it, but... Oh, I'm going to be in the house anyway from now on. Yeah. Just warming up my food in the microwave. I know. I know, I'm a messy girl. A messy girl. Hot. Oh, I gotta get this back on the charger. I'm just making my brunch and Richard's soup for tomorrow. I threw in that pickle juice and stirred it around in the soup. Okay, there's the empty pot. I should have had that in the beginning. Well, there it is with the soup in it. There's my brunch. All mingled and married. Aw, Callie. She doesn't know it's on, so don't tell her. Let's not tell her. They don't snuff around me to say, well, where you been? What have you been touching? Does it smell like your sister? Well, she is your sister. You got two sisters now. Missy's the oldest. She's a 15-year-old super senior. Callie's a 11-year-old senior. And Callie, too, is 2.5 to 3 years old. So she's just younger. We'll have to get something on the end of a stick or something to see if she'll play. These two wouldn't play. People sent them their toys, but they won't play with them. Cat nipping them and everything, and they still won't play. Yeah. She's so clean. What a clean girl. Yeah. Her fur is so long. Takes her a lot to groom herself. Yeah. I'm watching Murder Highway, Secrets and Savagery in the Australian Outback. Under Investigation. That's the name of the show, Under Investigation. And it's on, coming to us from 60 Minutes, Australia. Yeah, so I watch all those true crime shows.
But to my mind, thinking in the mind of a predator, this is a great way to
The Flinders Highway, a desolate strip of road through the Queensland outback. And a one-way ride for 11 young people who were murdered or disappeared between 1970 and 2018. Tonight we'll reveal new evidence in the case of 20-year-old Tony Jones. It's October 1982. Tony has hitchhiked all the way from his hometown of Perth.
That reminds me, it's October. It's October 25th. 4 days, and it's our 40th anniversary of our first date together. Yeah. And I don't have anything picked out. I wanted a shorter chain, 12 or 14 inches. But this was the time and the temperature. Hi, friends. 3:35 or something. I laid down, I dozed off. I'm gonna walk up the road. Might as well. It's pretty warm out, 22. Found my gloves that Richie bought me. But I don't know where my bug hood is. I'm gonna look in the truck. I don't need the hood up. No. Yeah, we both need our hair cut again. But I can't go back to the hairdressers. I got way too sick. And not just while I'm in there, but like 2-3 days later, I'm still sick. Yeah, so I don't know where I'm going to get my hair cut at. I don't know. The leaves are dry and crispy this day. Yeah, I can smell the leaves starting to decompose. Yeah, water hole's almost dried up. Oh, it's quite warm. Yeah, I gotta look in this truck. My orange jacket. I don't need gloves on. Oh, the mosquitoes. Oh, the mosquitoes are gonna get me. Oh. I don't know where I put it. It must be in the van, maybe. Still some leaves left. Oh, I said the oak trees are the last ones to turn, and they're, yeah. We'll see if there's any ducks. Sky is cleared, but it's supposed to rain some more tonight. It's pretty still. Quiet. There's my hippopotamus head. Okay, tide's going out that way to the river and then down to the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. I'm editing at the house over here, keeping her company before brunch, and she's just laying there looking at me. The camera never does the colors justice. I hear the blue jays hollering. It'll soon be this. The sign's still in the ditch there. They didn't come and fix it, put it back. Maybe they don't even know it's down still. All the acorns have dropped, and squirrels must have already took them, because a lot of them are just like the hat's taken off of them, or I don't know what you call it. Let's find one. That's all right. Still got a hat on it now. Maybe there isn't any. Well, sir, because there's the pine cone thing. And where's the hat? Here's the hat thing. Would be on it like that. Whew! It's pretty hot for the 25th of October. Tiny little birch tree, spindly, with the big pines behind it. Tide's still going out. Might be turning, I don't know. Let's have a little sit down and a drink. I don't know how come I'm upside down. In the park. Cheers. Hole in my chin. Get in there. 65,000 steps. Yellow earring, butterfly, yellow sunglasses, gold. This. Yeah. I just got a baby in my back. I got my socks on with almost no problems. And I just sat down there and back up again, so. Mosquitoes. Big stinky gravel truck. Mosquitoes. Big stinky gravel truck. I didn't know they were going by today. I almost fell on the highway. Sun shining on them. Tree's almost bare now. What a beautiful sight in our neighborhood. Back home already. Home sweet home. Through the secret passageway. A lot of the leaves are down. Wow. Still a lot of beauty around for my eyes to behold. I saw a leaf falling over there, but too far for you guys to see. There's our old trees, and they're tall trees. Yeah. Here goes Mama. I didn't find my bug hood. It must be in the, oh, I already said that. Must be in the van. He'll probably take the truck tomorrow. There they are. There you guys are. Waiting for Mom. This is very, very hot. Unnormal. It's not normal for this time of year. Yeah, I was quite sweating. Whew. I'm going to cook a big pot of carrots, sweet potatoes, and white potatoes tomorrow morning. Yeah. Put these boots back in under here. I won't smell the rubber. Even though they're 40 years old. Yeah, okay, girls. Alright. Okay, these are just pictures I took along the way. Thank you, dear friends, for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one, Lord willing. Friends, if you could just subscribe and hit the bell and give us a thumbs up, it would help us.